Do you worry about your motorcycle cover being stolen when you're out on a trip on the road? And you wake up the next morning and your cover is gone? Let's talk about that. Let's get cracking. Good moto morning. Welcome to Kraken's Garage. I'm your host Eric, and on Kraken's Garage we discuss all good things on 2 and 3 wheels. And on today's episode we're going to talk about motorcycle covers, or in this case, half covers, and the ins and outs about it. Plus one shout out at the end. Let's talk about that. Let's get cracking. Here's my dealer, Stonewall Harley Davidson. Just went up there and spent a bloody fortune. Picked up 50 poker chips to hand out at VAM, and some supplies that I needed. I ordered a half cover for the bike. A lot of people feel differently about covers for their bike. In one sense, if you buy the Harley covers, are you advertising that you have a Harley Davidson and, you know, come steal some stuff off? It's my perception that it's not hard to figure out it's a Harley under any cover. So I don't really care about that. And what I recommend people do, more than likely what gets stolen is your bloody cover. And some of them have eye loops on the bottom, and you can put a lock on it. What I recommend you do is go to your local hardware store and buy some white or silver paint and some stencils of large letters, and put your last name spray painted right across the cover on both sides. It discourages people from wanting to steal that cover because it has your name written all over it, so it's kind of obvious that whose cover it is, and they're more or less prone to use the cover. But the reasoning behind the cover is, one thing I very much dislike when I travel is getting up in the morning and setting my fanny down on a wet seat. You know, if you had rain the night before, or heavy dew or frost or something of that nature. That is my suggestion, or my tip of the day regarding your cover and how to protect it. So just a small upload today to give you a tip. And to all my end watchers, this week's shout out goes to WaltInPA. Walt has 677 subs. He has 201 videos out. He hails from about 60 miles outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He was rocking a 2018 Honda 650F, but he recently picked up a brand new 2022 Yamaha MT-09 SP, which by Kraken standard, I call it SP for spicy, because that bike is a cracking fast bike. What a great bike. Walt brings to the table a good, level-headed, can-do attitude, and he tells a really great story. He's an absolute joy to listen to. His motto for his channel is, "Thank you for visiting my little space on YouTube. My name is Walt, and as the name of my channel implies, I live in Pennsylvania, southeast Pennsylvania, approximately about 60 miles outside of Philly. This channel is made up of primarily motovlogs where I ride my then 2018 Honda CB 650F around back county roads and discuss whatever subject comes to mind. I've recently discovered a fondness for covered bridges, and he has a whole list and series of covered bridges videos that you folks should go check out. Please feel free to have a look around and reach out if you have any questions." So I can't recommend this gentleman highly enough. He brings a great attitude and mature way of doing motovlogging that I very much appreciate. If you have it in your heart to go check out his content and you decide you'd like it and subscribe it, please let him know that Kraken sent you. And let's go to our outro. I thank you for joining me on my channel today and taking the time out of your life. I'm trying harder to make each episode a little shorter and easier to watch, so you're not in for a 20-minute duration. With that said, there's my ghost dog, Daisy May. She's right up there. She's here to remind me to wrap up this video. If you would like to become a Patreon, the link is listed down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. And remember, folks, go riding because it's good for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.